Let me switch on a bit.
We can have one photograph there. 1 minute.
This side, please.
Straight. Come. You can be the customer.
You hold one all. You hold one side also. आप ये वाला ले लो.
Sir, this side.
थोड़ा close थोड़ा सा close sir. বুঝতে দেবো দাঁড়া 1 মিনিট করে নি হয়ে গেছে তোমার গোপাল
ওই যে মেরুনটা
এসছে কৃষ্ণদু ভালো হ্যাঁ করিয়ে দিচ্ছি সবার একসঙ্গে করিয়ে দিচ্ছি ভাই এক মিনিট
স্যার সিধে একটা প্যান্ট দিবি কি শুধু শার্ট তো
Hi, my name is Chippy. I'm the co-founder at Bombay Shirt Company. We're a 12-year-old company. Really, really excited to be back here in Kolkata after many years. This is going to be our first exclusive store in Kolkata ever, and we have a lot of offerings, a lot of products compared to what we were many years ago. We are, of course, one of the leading brands in India for custom-made shirts. We have all kinds of collars, cuffs, plackets, pockets, different types of monograms that we customize for our customers. We are also now launched a lot of jackets, both formal as well as semi-casual jackets. We have a lot of chinos, which are also customizable, a lot of dress pants, some denim, and also what we call smart pants, which are 360-degree all year round weather pants. So very excited to meet, greet and serve all customers and a lot of our repeat customers in Calcutta who have been waiting for us to launch over here once again. Thank you very much and look forward to meeting you.
अच्छा आप लोगों का मुंबई शर्ट जो है हाँ बॉम्बे शर्ट फैक्ट्री में एक्स्ट्रा क्या है जो दूसरा कंपनी में नहीं है
So the one thing exclusive, unique to Bombay Shirt Company compared to most other brands is that we offer hundreds of customizations. So we offer several types of collars. We have larger collars, smaller collars, stiff collars, soft collars. We have many kinds of plackets which customers are particular. We have many kind of pockets. Some customers want pockets, some don't. We have many kinds of plackets. We also offer monogram. A monogram is something that almost 65% of our customers, especially for their business and occasion wear shirts, like having their initials monogrammed onto the shirt. Apart from that, unlike most other brands, we have almost 300 to 500 options that a customer can choose from, and we deliver within 10 days. We also have launched pants which are also made to measure, and they are actually delivered within 3 to 4 days. So customers again are very particular about their fits. As we are seeing, as time goes by, customers want a very particular fall, a very particular length, and that's what we are experts in.
अच्छा बॉम्बे शर्ट में तो शर्ट तो ठीक है वो तो सब जानते ही है बॉम्बे शर्ट का जो पैंट जो है ट्राउजर जो है उसके बारे में क्या पता चलता है
So we have almost 100 plus options in pants.
Pants.
Casual in pants. Casual chinos, formal chinos. We have dress pants. They are with lycra as well as without lycra. We have something called a very comfort stretch. Men don't like wearing too much of elastin and too much of lycra, but they want a little bit of lycra just to make it a little bit more comfortable for them, especially between sitting and standing. We also have some salvage denims that we work with a lot of mills in Japan. So a lot of our fabrics are coming not only from India but from all over the world, and that's what makes us again unique compared to most other brands.
अगर प्राइस के बारे में देखा जाए तो इस बॉम्बे शर्ट का क्या क्या पता चलता
So our price is actually a very affordable price. We are very well priced in the market considering that
Started
we're doing
from?
made to measure. We
Started
start at actually 1,900 for our ready to wear shirts. We have a ready made collection as well. We start our custom made shirts at 2,400 and it goes on to 20,000, 30,000 as
It
well.
delivered
But the
within 10
standard
days?
price is
Delivered within
for
10 days?
Yes, delivers within 10 days.
विद इन कलकत्ता और outside
All over the
Calcutta?
country. We have
All over the country.
yes, this is our 22nd store that we are opening today in Calcutta, and we have another 8 more signed up across different parts of India. So we should be at 30 stores in the next about 4 months.
कलकत्ता को चूज करने का मेन कारण क्या है
So Calcutta is a lovely city. I myself personally have a lot of memories over here as a child. I used to play tennis for India in Calcutta South Club, so I've come here many times as a child. But apart from that, I think Calcutta is known for its its rich cultural heritage, and it's bustling marketplaces. So for us, especially from our online customers as well as a lot of other offline customers who visit us in our other locations like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Hyderabad. All of our customers have always told us, when you're launching in Calcutta, when you're launching in Calcutta. So here we are and looking forward to meet everybody.
कलकत्ता वालों के लिए आप लोग क्या कहना है बताइए? पूजा तो सामने आ रहा है एक सा दिन.
Just as I said, do visit us. It's not just about coming over here to shop. I think the experience that you will have with us is something different. That is what we promise you. And you will, I assure you that once you meet our team, they will take you through the whole process of not just picking fabrics, but styling you and making you feel comfortable regardless of what shape and size you are.
My name is Kapil Malhotra. I'm the regional manager for Bombay Shirts Company. So this brand launched in 2012. Currently we have 22 stores and this will be 23rd store. And about the brand, we are basically into custom-made brand, wherein we do custom-made shirts into various collars, into as per the customer requirement, plackets, monograms, and we have launched a variety of bottom wear, which includes smart pants, dress pants, ready-to-wear chinos, and your Neapolitan pants. And we have large variety in terms of the designs and in terms of the fabrics, what the customer wants from the Bombay Shirts Company.
अच्छा कोट starts from your कोट
The coat starts from 12,500.
12,000.
12,500.
Short start from
12,500.
short.
Shirt starts from 1990 and it goes up to 35,000.
इसमें स्पेशलिटी क्या है? इतना जो है
Like we said that we have different fabrics which are available for the customers. The customer choose as per their body, as per their requirement. Like for example, if they want a collar to be a French collar or maybe a stiff collar, or if they want a monogram or a design in their shirt, so we do that. And also we have launched a smart pants which are 100% stretchable, wherein customer can wear it all day, all long, and they can in fact do a lot of things also by wearing those pants.
अच्छा पैंट starts from rate
The pants starts from 1 to 2,500.
2,500. All are stretchable jeans or no,
only the
only
smart
cotton?
pants, only the smart pants are stretchable.
Only smart pants, okay.
Rest we have our normal pants also, and we have chinos, and we have jeans also which are available, which we produce, which we get the fabric from Japan also.
आप लोग स्मार्ट पैंट क्यों बोल रहे हैं? इसमें क्या
The
है?
smart pant, like I said, smart pant is 100% stretchable, so that's why it's called smart pant. So when you wear that pant, you can just stretch your legs, you can do whatever things you can do from day till evening. And it's 100% weather resistant. In whatever weather you can wear it, and it is very comfortable. So that's why we have called it as a smart pant.
ये आप लोग कहाँ बनता है टोटल ये प्रोडक्ट?
So we have a factory in Vasai, that is in Mumbai, and whatever customers require buys from us, order from us. So it goes to the factory processes, and then we ship it to the customer.
ये कलकत्ते में पहला स्टोर है ना?
This is our first store.
आपका अगला दिन में कोई खुलने का आप लोगों को
So looking, yes,
इच्छा है क्या?
yes, of course we will open if the response is good, and so far we're expecting huge customers. And since a lot of customers have shopped with us online, and they were demanding that we should be back in Kolkata, so we are back, and we would love to serve.
कलकत्ता का दुर्गा पूजा तो 100 दिन भी बाकी है, ज़्यादा नहीं. कलकत्ता वालों के जो पूजा होता है दुर्गा पूजा अभी 100 दिन भी बाकी नहीं है.
Yes.
तो आप कलकत्ता वालों के लिए क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप?
So, like I said, that this is a city of joy, and of course, looking at there's no opportunity to be missed for the Kolkata people. They love designs, they love our brand from which they have shopped with us online, and we're expecting a good response from them, and we should serve them better, and we will definitely serve them better and make sure that we grow more and more from Kolkata.
ওনার নামটা একটু জানতে হবে, ঠিক আছে?
এটা